Today I'm going to ask you to think about wellness in a completely new way. And it's going to be something that when you make this mental shift, it is going to make it so much easier and more motivating to stick with your health habits. Welcome, I'm Sheri Traxler with Vireo Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. Today I want to talk about a concept that years ago I learned, and it really clouded how I thought about wellness in relation to lifestyle and disease and health. So let me give you a quick stat first. Dr. Treister, a cardiologist, shares that health is based on 10% your medical care, 20% your heredity, and then 70% your lifestyle choices and your environment. So with that, we tend to think of health on a continuum. And I want to draw out for you the old model of a health and wellness continuum. So this is what you've always been taught, that disease and health and wellness are on a direct continuum, and you're either on one end or the other. Well, here's what that causes. It causes a lot of people to think, oh, if I am struggling with a disease issue, like when I had an eye issue, and I'll link to that, when you deal with something medical, when you deal with a disease type thing, then you're not able to have your optimum wellness. You're not able to reach your peak potential. That's baloney. So I have now come up with a different way of thinking about your wellness. This I love because, yes, there is a connection between your health and disease risk. Absolutely. You've got the medical part of it, you've got the hereditary part of it, and then you've got diet, exercise, stress management, lifestyle, your environment. But your wellness, your peak performance, your ability to really engage in life and do everything you want to do. I have clients who deal with some type of disease state, but their wellness is still spot on. Their ability to do things is still spot on because it's not totally dependent. It's related, but it's not totally dependent on what state is their body in. Are they dealing with blood pressure or blood sugar issues? Well, they can still work on wellness in the midst of that. I've got a client who deals with chronic pain. Well, that would fall over in the disease area, the medical issues, but her wellness is still on track because we find ways around that. So this is just a mental shift I want you to make. Let me know your thoughts in the comments of how you see disease and health and wellness all related. I would love to get your feedback on this concept. Thanks so much for being here. Remember to subscribe. Click that notification bell, and until next time, find your path and fulfill your unique potential.